क्लास में हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं, यहाँ पे हम आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ओम्स लॉ. What is electric current? How we can define this term electric current? What is the work of resistance? The work of resistance, as you can see here, it is stopping the flow of current. Hello students, a very good evening to all of you. My name is Ashutosh and again I'm here with a very interesting topic. So as you all requested that sir, can you do a separate class for a Ohm's law? So definitely I'm going to do it. I'm here. I hope you all are doing well and you all are able to hear me properly. Quickly give me your responses in the chat box. And student, at the same time, whenever you are having any doubt, any questions, any queries, you can ask it to me in the chat box. ठीक है, तो कोई भी क्वेरी है, कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, कोई भी चीज जो आपको नहीं समझ में आ रही है, आप यहाँ पे चैट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो आज बेसिकली इस क्लास में हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं, यहाँ पे हम आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ओम्स लॉ को. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द ओम्स लॉ हियर. ओके, before coming to the Ohm's law, there is a very important information which I want to give all of you. So students, we launched our program which is Vijay Bhav program. I hope आपको Vijay Bhav का मतलब पता होगा, right? Vijay Bhav means it's something to achieve success, to achieve goals. How you can achieve your success? How you can achieve your goals? Definitely by getting some good marks, right? For now, at least I can say that getting some good marks, achieving some good marks, that is your success. So we are going to help you in achieving your goals, in achieving the success. We are here and you can see in the description, the link is provided to you for our Infinity Learn classes. So in Infinity Learn classes, what we are providing it to you, the very first and very important thing, that is 24/7 doubt classes. Means whenever you are having doubt, not doubt classes, 24/7 we are available for you. So whenever you are having doubts, any queries, any question, you can reach out to us and we are going to solve it. Now, the second thing, the content which we are providing you, that is a top quality content which we are preparing just for you. Third thing, the experienced faculty. You already know about us and that's why you are here in the live classes. You can join the classes on a regular basis. That is a very important thing for you. You are able to ask your doubts. You are able to get some good quality content which is going to help you in preparing for exams. Not these exams only, not talking about the board exams or your class exams. I'm talking about JEE and NEET exams also. Okay, so that is going to help you definitely. You need to visit the site. आपको इस site पे जाना है and description पे भी site आपके लिए available है. You can directly access from there also. After reaching to the site, वहाँ पे आप देख पाओगे, वहाँ पे आपके लिए different courses हैं. Like the crash course is available for you, the live classes courses are available for you, the book course is available for you. So which one you think it is suitable for you, जहाँ पे आपको help चाहिए, उस according आप course को select कर सकते हैं. Okay? After selecting that course, आपको क्या करना है? You need to fill all your information there, like your name, your grade, and your registered phone number. ठीक है? उसको fill करने के बाद बच्चों, there is a coupon code which you can apply. This is Ashutosh 20 and that is just for you. Students who are taking the live classes. So Ashutosh 20 आप जैसे ही अप्लाई करोगे वहां पे you will get 20% flat discount there. So that is going to help you. These courses are going to help you in getting some good marks and coming up with some good content. Okay, so that's all about these classes. I hope it is clear to you. कोई doubt हो रहा हो, कोई इससे related query हो, आप again chat box में मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. चल जल्दी से start करते हैं आज की क्लास को. So basically we are going to talk about the Ohm's law here. Before directly coming to the Ohm's law, because Ohm's law is something which is giving us the relation between the current and potential difference, right? So we should know about these two terms. I hope it is clear to all of you, but still if it is not clear, let me give a quick recap of these two things. Electric current and potential difference. So talking about electric current, right now you are taking the class, definitely maybe you are taking it on your mobile phones, your tablets, your laptops, your computers. These all things are running on the electricity. And if you see around you, lot of things are present there which is running on the electricity, right? अगर आप अपने चारों तरफ देखो, there is refrigerator, there is tube light, there are the bulbs, there are the TVs, and in kitchen also we are using so many things which is directly related to the electricity. Can you imagine your life without electricity? Definitely not. नाउ इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड, अगर आज के हम इस पूरे संसार में बात करें तो विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हम इमेजिन ही नहीं कर सकते अपनी लाइफ. इफ आई वांट टू कॉन्टेक्ट एनीवन, आई नीड मोबाइल फोन. डेफिनेटली दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. अगर वो चार्ज ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क, राइट? सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, that is a need of day to day life. Without that we cannot imagine our lives. So that is how the electric current we are going to start. What is electric current? How we can define this term electric current? Simple, very simple. Electric current, which we are denoting with letter I, is equal to Q by T. What is that meaning, Q by T? What is Q here? Q here is the charge and T here is the time. So very simple. The rate of flow of charge is known as electric current. The charge which is flowing in a time t, that is known as electric current. The standard unit of electric current, that is ammeter. And for charge, it is coulomb. For time, it is second. So from here also I am getting one thing, 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second. Okay, that is about electric current. Now talking about potential difference. For the flow of electric current from one terminal to the other terminal, we require potential difference. That way we require cells, batteries, right? If the potential difference is not there, the current is not able to flow from one terminal to the other terminal. Now, how to define this potential difference? Potential difference, if I am directly coming to the formula, that is work done divided by charge. W is work done here and Q is the charge. V is equal to W by Q. The work done required to move a charge, to move a unit positive charge from one terminal to the other terminal, that is something which is known as potential difference. The standard unit is volt. The standard unit is volt. For work done, it is joule. For charge, it is coulomb. Okay? So what we can say this also, 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Okay, so I hope these two terms are clear to you. Now, moving ahead to the Ohm's law. Now, this is the Ohm's law which is giving us the relation between the potential difference and current. Okay, now we know these terms very well. So, what Ohm's law states that is also very important. Let's read the statement. The strength of the electric current through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applies across the ends of a conductor. Means the potential difference applied across the ends of a conductor is directly proportional to the current which is flowing in a conductor. And one thing which is very important, you can add here, the physical condition should be constant. The physical conditions should be constant. For example, temperature. If I am going to change the temperature, these law cannot hold. Okay, so physical condition should require to be constant. Now, V is directly proportional to I. If I am removing the sign of proportionality, I need to put a constant there, which is R. V is equal to IR, or I can write R is equal to V by I. What is this R? This is resistance. This is resistance. Okay, this R is resistance. So R is equal to V by I. For resistance, if I am talking about, we are going to talk about, but first let's read this. The rate of charge flow through a conductor is the strength of electric current through it, which I already told you. I is equal to Q by T. Okay, now moving ahead with the next one. So that's how you can see this is the standard unit of resistance, which is ohm. Standard unit of resistance is ohm. Now, talking about ohm, the symbol of ohm is this. This is the symbol of ohm. What is the work of resistance? The work of resistance, as you can see here, it is stopping the flow of current. It is opposing the movement of electrons. So, On the basis of resistance, we can define conductor and insulator also. If in a wire, resistance is so much high that it is not allowing the current to flow, that is something which is known as insulator. Conductor, where the resistance value is very low, the current is flowing very easily, that is a good conductor. Okay. Now, with the help of I, we are representing the current, and with R, this is how we are showing the resistance. These are resistors. Okay. And they are having the different values we can connect in a circuit. Moving ahead, V is directly proportional to I, V is equal to IR. R is a proportionality constant and is the resistance of the conductor. Unit of resistance is ohm, the symbol is mentioned here. 1 ohm is the resistance offered by a conductor when a potential difference of 1 volt established in an electric current of 1 ampere in it. Very simple, R is equal to V by I if I am saying that. So 1 volt and 1 ampere. So 1 ohm is the resistance offered by a conductor when a potential difference of 1 volt establish an electric current of 1 ampere. So if there is a potential difference अगर 1 volt है वो establish कर रहा है 1 ampere current को, तो हम कहेंगे वहां पे resistance 1 ohm present है. Resistance भी depend करता है कुछ factors पे. We are going to talk it in the next class. For now, this is V is equal to IR, and if I am going to plot the graph, so formula you can say V is equal to IR, I is equal to V by R is equal to V by I. So you can remember this triangle rule. So for that you will get the formulas easily. Okay. So if I want to write V, V is equal to IR. Correct. So here I is equal to V by R, and similarly you can change accordingly, R is equal to V by I. Now if I am going to plot the graph between current and voltage, that should be a straight line for ohmic resistors. What are the ohmic resistors? Which follows the Ohm's law. Ohmic resistors which follows the Ohm's law. There are few non-ohmic resistors also. That means that they are not following the Ohm's law. So this is the slope which is telling you about the resistance here. So slope of the line is delta I by delta V, which is giving you, here it is giving the value of 1 by R, that is resistance, right? 1 by R. Okay, so I hope the Ohm's law is clear to you now. In the next class, we are going to discuss about on which factors the resistance is depending on. That is we are going to talk in our next class. Again, students, remember, if you want to join our classes on a regular basis, visit this site. After visiting this site, you need to fill all your information, your grade, your register phone number, your subject, your course which you want to take. And after doing all this, when you are applying this code Ashutosh 20, you will get 20% discount on the selected course. Okay. So I hope that is clear in your mind. Okay. Any doubt, any question you are having, you can ask it to me in the chat box. And after this class also, if you are getting any doubt, just note it down. And when I am coming for the next class, you can ask in that. That's all, students, for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.